The next topic is different types of hydrogen. In general, we usually listen about different kinds of hydrogen and different green hydrogen projects which have been disseminated by government through different programs. So let's learn about different types of hydrogen. Firstly, green hydrogen. Green hydrogen is nothing but the hydrogen which is produced through electrolysis process. In general, we have a water molecule which is the H2O. By splitting, we'll get H2 and O plus, whereas this process takes place through electrolysis process, where we'll take a jar with a cathode and then again an anode, and we'll pass the electricity. This electricity that we pass for the splitting of this water molecule is the renewable energy. That is the whatever the energy which has been produced through solar energy, wind energy and hydropower plants. The electricity which has been produced through these renewable energy sources will be used as an electricity to split this water molecule. That's why we call this hydrogen is called the green hydrogen, where there is no emissions of carbon dioxide and any of the thing. We use the renewable electricity to produce hydrogen. That's why this is called green hydrogen. The another type is blue hydrogen. Blue hydrogen actually produced from natural gas through steam methane reforming process. Whereas this steam methane reforming process, in this case, we'll see this methane. Methane, this is the methane structure which has the 4 hydrogens. If we pass the steam, it will break the bonds and releases hydrogen. So through which the hydrogen is produced. Through this steam methane reforming process, the hydrogen produced is called the blue methane process, is called the blue hydrogen, which also involves the CCS. CCS means it is the carbon capture and storage. In the process of production of the blue hydrogen, we also include this carbon capture storage, so that which reduces the carbon dioxide emissions. And the next one being the grey hydrogen. This grey hydrogen is also produced through natural gas, the same process as the blue hydrogen production, that is through steam methane reforming process. But in this process, we do not include the CCS. Whereas in case of the brown hydrogen, this brown hydrogen is produced through coal gasification process. Coal gasification process is nothing but conversion of solidified coal into a gaseous structure called the syngas. Syngas is nothing but it also includes the methane. Through methane and again by giving steam to methane, we'll produce the brown hydrogen. In case of brown hydrogen, we'll use coal gasification method to produce hydrogen. Whereas the natural white or gold hydrogen is nothing but the hydrogen which is produced through earth crust as well as the extracted directly from the earth itself. Whereas the pink or the purple hydrogen is produced by using nuclear energy, whereas the turquoise hydrogen is produced through pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is nothing but heating an organic matter which is a biomass. By heating this biomass at a very high temperatures in the absence of oxygen. In that process, whatever the hydrogen which is produced through heating this biomass is called the turquoise hydrogen through process called the pyrolysis.